Go.
Good day everyone. So our topic for today is derivatives. So I'm gonna show you some examples on how to solve derivatives. So here are the examples. In the first example, you need to use the power rule. In the first term, x raised to the power of 4, you need to bring down the exponent 4 so it will become the coefficient of this term. So this, and then subtract the exponent 4 to 1 so it became 3. In the second term, since it has 2x raised to the power of 3, just need to copy 2, then bring down the exponent 3 so it became the coefficient of this term, then subtract the exponent of 3 to 1 so it became 2. And then in the third exponent, you need to bring down the exponent 2 so it became the coefficient of this term, then subtract 2 exponent to 1 so it becomes 2x. In this term, since it has only x, it doesn't have exponent, you just copy 4, then and subtract the 1 to 1 and in the exponent will be cancelled out. And then since in the fifth term it doesn't have any exponent, it will automatically become 0. So after you written down all the answer, you just simplify it so it became like this. So in my second example here, you need to use the product rule. So the u is the x to the power of 2 plus 1, and the v is this one. So copy the u, so just copy this one here and then find the derivatives of this one. So the derivatives of x to the power of 3 plus x plus 5 is this one. You just need to do like the power rule, just follow the power rule, and then in the other side you need to copy the v. So since this is the v, just copy this one, then find the derivatives of this one. So it will become 2x since the one doesn't have any variables. So that, and then distribute each terms to like this, like this, like this, like this. So it will become like this one, and then just like in the other, you just need to distribute it this one, so you'll get this one, and then solve each. So add or minus the same terms with the same terms. So 3x to the power of 4 and 2x to the power of 4 is equals to 5x to the power of 4, and then x to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 3x to the power of 2 plus 2x to the power of 2 is equals 6x to the power of 2, then 10x, then this one plus 1. So that's all. Thank you.